To apply level 5 as a ceramic coating, you'll want to spray an even mist over the working area, entirely to make sure as to not miss any areas. Don't apply so much that the product puddles or runs. Using 2 clean microfiber towels, use the first one to spread level 5 evenly over the surface. Use the second one to buff out any haze that may be left behind or any additional residue. You will notice a smooth protection that will have incredible water beading and an added addition of deep gloss, next level shine. Level 5 makes an excellent clay lubricant. It takes multiple steps and reduces it to just one. First, what you want to do is make sure the vehicle is not in direct sunlight or the surface temperature is not over 95 degrees Fahrenheit, as this will affect the polydisc performance and level 5's working time. You'll want to choose which tool you would prefer for application, either by hand with the Velcro strap or the dual action polisher. Using the level finish polydisc, first apply a few sprays of level 5 directly to the face of the polydisc. Then apply level 5 evenly over the working surface with medium pressure. Decontaminate the working surface using small circular motions with the level finish polydisc, keeping the surface well lubricated with level 5. You should hear light scratching sounds during the decontamination process that will dissipate once the surface has been decontaminated. Now, to use level 5 as an interior detail spray, spray level 5 directly into the working surface. This will be leather, vinyl, and plastics. Using a clean microfiber towel, wipe the working surface in one direction, lifting any light debris to create a clean surface. Using a second microfiber towel or the dry side of the current microfiber towel, massage off any film or level 5 product left behind from the first wipe to reveal a clean, protected surface. Notice a low sheen and non-greasy finish.